And cheese. These are absolutely fantastic. I got the sloth dog here. This is gonna create those cross marks. So you want to press firmly down, kind of rock it a little from edge to edge. Once you see it sinking in, then remove it and then repeat on the other side. These hot dogs are 1/4 pound hot dogs. They're beef, and I got these at Costco. So do it again on the other side, rock it, so that way you can get both sides really nice and crispy when they're on the grill. All right, time to fire up that grill. I'm using the Nomad grills with their charcoal. This is the fire charcoal. That's what they call it. Now the grate, put it on, let it preheat at least 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start setting our hot dogs right over the top, just like that. Probably about 3 or 4 minutes per side, and hot dogs are already fully cooked, so all you're doing is warming them back up, just like so. So now let's give them a flip. And they're looking and smelling really good now. Getting really nice crispy edges. Start seeing some of the little bubbling, just like so. Same thing on the other side, around 3 minutes or so. And then we're gonna be pulling these off. But I'll give you a quick hover over, see how they're looking like. Really nice crispy edges. The sloth dog, you can find it on Amazon. So from here, preheat a little cast iron. I'm gonna be adding some avocado oil, about a tablespoon, adding our jalapenos and red onion. We're gonna start cooking these down. And all I'm gonna be doing is just season them up, very simple. Salt, pepper, garlic on those. Just like that, incorporate everything. And now we're gonna be warming up our pretzel buns. Just probably about 30 seconds or less per side. Pulling those off. I got a pretty good amount of cheese on that bowl. And that we're gonna throw in that same little cast iron and melt it down. It's gonna melt down quickly. I got some mayo. This is a chipotle lime mayonnaise. Slather it all in there. If you don't like mayo, you know, you can use whatever else you like. But I do like some mayo, just like that. Load up those hot dogs now, right in between. And after this, we're gonna top them off with those sauteed onions and jalapenos. Once you remove those, we're gonna be adding the cheese onto the same skillet. Let it melt for like a minute or so, and then we're gonna be loading up the hot dogs with the cheese. But these came out absolutely fantastic. We're gonna give them a go.